Seed saving is an essential skill for any survivalist, offering long-term food security and self-sufficiency. In this video, we'll guide you through the crucial steps of seed saving and highlight its benefits. First, it's vital to select non-GMO, heirloom seeds. These seeds are more likely to produce viable seeds for future planting. Unlike hybrid seeds, heirloom seeds are open-pollinated, meaning they can be saved and replanted year after year. Heirloom varieties also often have unique flavors and qualities that have been preserved through generations. Once you've chosen your seeds, it's time to start saving. Begin by harvesting mature seeds from your healthiest plants. Ensure that the seeds are fully ripe before collecting them. For example, with vegetables like tomatoes or cucumbers, let them over-ripen on the vine until they are almost rotting. This ensures that the seeds inside have fully developed and are ready for harvesting. After harvesting, cleaning the seeds thoroughly is crucial to remove any pulp or plant residue. This step helps prevent mold and disease. For certain seeds like tomatoes, fermenting them by soaking in water for a few days can help remove the gelatinous coating that surrounds them. This process mimics natural fermentation and aids in the removal of pathogens. Drying the seeds is the next critical step. Spread them out in a single layer on a screen or paper towel in a cool, dry place. Avoid direct sunlight as it can damage the seeds. Proper drying can take several days to a week, depending on the seed type and climate. Ensure the seeds are completely dry before moving on to storage, as any residual moisture can cause mold growth. Once the seeds are dry, proper storage is essential to maintain their viability. Store them in airtight containers, like glass jars or vacuum-sealed bags, and keep them in a cool, dark place. Label each container with the seed type and the date of storage. For added protection, consider using desiccants like silica gel packets to absorb any remaining moisture. Creating a personal seed bank has numerous benefits. It ensures a continuous supply of fresh produce, saves money, and provides a valuable bartering item in emergencies. Seed saving also helps preserve plant biodiversity and heritage varieties, contributing to a more resilient food system. In times of crisis, having a diverse seed bank can be a lifeline, ensuring you have access to a variety of nutritious foods. Starting a survival garden with your saved seeds is the next step. Plan your garden layout, considering companion planting and crop rotation to optimize growth and soil health. Companion planting involves growing certain plants together that benefit each other, such as planting basil near tomatoes to enhance flavor and deter pests. Crop rotation helps prevent soil depletion and reduces the risk of disease buildup. For beginners, it's helpful to start with easy-to-save seeds like beans, peas, and tomatoes. These plants are relatively straightforward to grow and save seeds from, providing a great foundation for expanding your seed-saving efforts. As you gain experience, you can experiment with more challenging plants like biennials, which take 2 years to complete their life cycle. Resources for further learning include books like Seed to Seed by Suzanne Ashworth and online communities where experienced gardeners share tips and advice. Joining a local seed exchange can also provide access to a wider variety of seeds and knowledge. Additionally, organizations like the Seed Savers Exchange offer extensive resources and a network of seed-saving enthusiasts. In conclusion, seed saving is a vital skill for survivalists, promoting self-sufficiency and resilience. By following these steps, you can build a robust seed bank and ensure a steady supply of fresh produce, no matter what challenges come your way. Remember, the key to successful seed saving is attention to detail and a commitment to preserving the best qualities of your plants. By investing time in seed saving, you're taking an important step towards food independence and sustainability. Whether you're preparing for a potential crisis or simply want to enjoy the benefits of homegrown produce, seed saving is a rewarding and practical skill. Start small, be patient, and watch as your efforts grow into a thriving, self-sustaining garden.